back at it today, chucking up some walls. You can see in the background, lovely day today, bit cold, but yeah, put up one of the side walls. I can't do it this way around. That end's 2.4, that end's 2.2. This is an aperture for some glass that I had spare at work from a wrong size order. So I've got 3 bits of that. There's going to be one on that wall, one on the front wall, and then another one on this side wall over here. So yeah, I've laid that all up. Just basically put the took the measurement of the sole plate, laid it down on here. I overshot the top plate and then cut that to suit after. These are set at 12-20 centres to there. This one is a shorter or narrower piece. Then the intermediates I've just done at Imperial at 2 foot, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you know that already anyway. Still got to do noggins in all of that. No noggins to go in the floor because that's been done slightly differently. Just laying up this corner wall here because there's actually a cut across here, not a cut across but another wall going this way, so when the roof's done there's like a triangular like porch area which we'll put decking on. So I'm going to crack on with this. Right, I've got that other side wall up. Had a bit of a palaver with it. I was being an idiot and I've got really hot because I've got like 2 jumpers on. Now when you get flustered it's just a bit rubbish, isn't it? Anyway, that's on. Everything is braced. I had a brace in the way on this piece up here. Sorry, this back wall. That brace going down there. And I was trying to pull out the spike I'd put in the corner. So like 3.5 inch nail. And as I pulled it out, it lifted the whole stud out the bottom and all these top studs decided to de-nail themselves, so I've got to get up there and just bang them back in so they're home. But that was an absolute ball ache, but it's in now. I'm going to have a cup of tea and then we'll do the next wall. That cup of coffee I had was about 11 o'clock this morning and it's 4 o'clock this afternoon. Better get on with some work. Right, we've done front wall, side wall was already done. I'm going to turn it around because you ain't need to see me, are you? Done 3 window holes. I changed my mind. I didn't want one on this wall because, I'll show you why. you've got a nice view down there, you've got a nice view through that one, nice view through that one, and that one looks at a bush, so I decided against it. And then there's going to be the front door there, so should bring in a nice bit of light, because otherwise everywhere else is pretty dark. That's what it's going to be. So I'm doing this front door angled section here, and I've put in the wall plate there, and I'm just going to put in the roof plate there, each bit. So I'm going to lay a bit of timber. I'm going to put a jiffy nail in this end because I'm working on my own, and then I'm going to measure up to the other end to get the full length of the timber. This one I just butted up. I just left the end at 90 degrees. I didn't do any kind of mitre on the end. You can see down there, and that gap there will remain, but at the top I'm thinking it would be good to close in that gap, so I can put a fix in into that end there and get some rigidity about this, because although it's pretty stable, it's due to the bracing, and I think this final wall might give it a bit of that rigidity before we put the OSB on. There it is, it's in there. We've carried on the wall with that little bevel there, so the front wall corner will actually sit kind of in mid-air in the middle of this, which is probably alright. Well, I'm going to put the tools down for today, because it's getting a little bit, and I don't look dark, but it's getting dark in this corner over here, and I also don't know what size the door's going to be here, so I need to go and order that, and then I'll know what size the outer frame limit needs to be, and I can chuck in some intermediates in this stud wall. So yeah, looking quite good now, and so yeah, that's it. Slaters.